Hey, it's Lisa Marie. Here's a dish that's a little sweet and a little spicy. It's chicken with honey mustard orange sauce. So I'm using chicken thighs for this, and you're going to want to season both sides with a little salt and pepper. I already did one side. So over medium-high heat, you're going to heat about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm using a nonstick pan for this. We're going to put the chicken into the pan. We're going to cook this on both sides about 7 minutes each side. So we're going to add in a little bit of chicken broth, about 3/4 of a cup, and 3/4 of a cup of fresh orange juice. And we're just going to bring that down to a simmer and cover it and let it cook until the juices have gotten into the chicken. There's the chicken, and I'm going to take it out because we're going to make a sauce and put the chicken back in there. Okay, so now we're making the sauce. I have about a 1/4 cup of the grainy Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey, and just for a little kick, some Tabasco sauce. You don't have to put that in there. I just like it a little bit spicy. We're gonna let this cook a little bit. You can whisk it a little bit, just to make sure everything gets pulled together. Add that chicken back in. And I wanna get these juices on top of there. All that good mustard sauce. And we're gonna let this just simmer for just about 2 minutes. So I've plated the chicken, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce that I cooked up on top. And just to make it pretty, add a little bit of parsley. And there it is.